Fun with fire. Tonight we're doing a little 200-gram cake, 16 shots from Pyro Up, which is actually a Pyro Junkie brand. It's called Space Babe. Ooh. Item number is the PJ200292. Looks like she knows how to handle that gun. No performance. Don't know what it's going to do. But we're going to... Is that a performance? Nope. That's not a performance. So there's no performance. So who knows what this thing's going to do. Decent weight for this little guy. So let's check out the Space Babe from Pyro Up Fireworks. Ooh. Let's check it out. Let's go see what this thing's all about. Space Babe. Oh, she's lit. Tater chip. Nice. Wow. That thing's awesome. That little guy's got some punch. Sweet.